Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And we've got the Parkside fixed quad for interior use, and this is the color white, made in Germany, for correction of flecks and dirt spots. Fixed quad is ready to use and simply to apply because of the integrated practical application sponge. And there is a sponge. Is highly covering and silk matte color white. Areas of use: it is indoor, suitable for correcting and covering flags and dirt spot on a walls and ceiling, for mineral substrates, masonry, concrete, plaster, as well as construction panels and all dispersion based paint coats. How to apply: the surface must be clean, dry and free for graze and remove loose portions. Now let's try to see how we can work with that. Now here into the white wall we've got some white spots, and by pressing a little bit we can see it's coming out the white color. Apply a little bit force, as much as you want to come out, and paint it. And the results are great. Same here. Nice results. Well guys, that was all about. He's doing a great job. All the dirt, the spots from the white wall is gone and is looking great. And if you need something like that, it costs about €2. Well, just buy it. You don't need any paintbrush or a paint, and your hand, it will stay very clean. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.